So hi guys, nandito tayo sa Roa City. Ito yung pinili natin kanina sa Talon Beach na crabs. So bukas pa kasi kami uuwi. So they said that we have to plunge these crabs to the sea. So look at the sea of the Roa City. Oh, look at that. Look at the crabs, guys. So,
What?
Here is,
Anong pangalan yan?
I don't know. What is the name of these crabs?
Koray.
Koray. This is Koray. Let's go, guys. The crabs here is should be plunged.
Iinumin niya ng tubig dagat yung crabs niya para hindi mamatay hanggang bukas kasi bukas pa kami uuwi. Tapos salubong niya sa parents namin.
Okay.
Guys, ang ganda dito. At saka nakikita niyo yan. Yan, nag-iisang... Ngayon ka pa nagtaas. Kung kailan basa ka na. My God. Basang-basa ka na. Daming tao dun, eh.
There's a lot of people here. Okay. Up until there, oh.
Ano sasabi niya? Ano daw?
This is Roa City. So, if you want to visit Roa City, there's a lot of places here. There's a lot of food you want to eat.
Wala kaming pakialam!
The resort, you can find it here. So, what we are focusing is these crabs. My God, my friend. Sponge it there.
Painumin mo naman. Yan, hayaan mo lang siya muna. Para makainom sila. Ayan.
So tomorrow, these crabs will be our meal for lunch and dinner.
Oh, sarap.
So this is crabs. This is only for 200 pesos. Damn. Yes.
Mura, no? Sa Manila, magkano na yan, Dad?
Usually, para ganito siguro, maabuti ng 500 pesos or more. Woo! So, ito na sila. Buhay na sila. Okay?
Buhay pa rin sila.
Woo! Look at the sea.
So nice, right?
Nice. So, napakalinis. It's so clean. We have motorboat rental here. I don't know how much it is. We'll post it in Facebook.
So nice.
Blessing ko na rin. So nice. Guys, lunch here.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na sa mga fans niya.
Bye-bye! Visit Roa City and you'll love it. Ciao!
Anong tsa-tsa?